The purpose of this brief instructional video is to explain how to participate in the small group wiki projects embedded in weeks 4, 9, and 11 of your course. And what I wanted to show you is that, first of all, when you log into your course, you'll see your menu over here. And during week 3 of this course, the small groups will actually be populated. And once that happens, this My Groups tab is going to pop open, and you'll see this on your menu. And it will actually list which group you're a part of. You'll be either part of group 1 or group 2, group 3, depending on how many students are in the class and how many groups are formed, and then it'll show you the tools that are available to you. So from here you can email your group members if you want to encourage them to get started, or you can use this group wiki tool, which is where you're actually going to do most of the group work for these projects, and you'll want to access that. If you want to, you can also click on this group homepage. And that will actually display these tools to you. It will also tell you the names of all the group members so that you know who else is in your group. And then it will actually list the assignments that are linked to your group. And so you'll see here in this class you have actually 3 assignments linked to your group. So you're not doing any work here in this course in these assignment tabs. You're doing the work here in the group wiki, and then you'll have a moderator who, on behalf of your groups, submits them here. But I'll explain a little bit more about that in just a moment. What I'd like to do now is encourage you, instead of working here, going here first to the group wiki areas, you should always go into your weekly content folder first. That's where all the information about your group's projects will be located. So click into weekly content, and that will take you to the folders that you normally see. And your first group project is located in the week 4 folder. So when you go into week 4, you'll see your overview of weekly work. You'll see your introductory audio file that's there, and then you'll have a folder here with the wiki instructions and materials. And there's a helpful little video here about wikis that you can watch. There's this video that helps you understand how to complete the project in Blackboard. And then you'll find here an assignment submission, and this is actually a group submission. So as I previously mentioned, you're going to choose each week when a wiki's due a moderator in your group who will take your information from the wiki area, copy and paste it into a Word document, and then they will submit it here to this assignment area on behalf of your group. Now your instructor will grade the group project, they'll go in and look at your individual contributions to it, and then they'll actually issue you a grade as a group. That grade will get populated out to all the group members, and then the instructor may adjust your individual grade depending on your contribution. The reason you need to come here to the weekly content folder is because it gives you a kind of short assignment description, what you need to do in this wiki project, and it also includes a Word file that gives you a little bit more information about how you should approach each wiki topic. So it's really important to start here, orient yourself to the project, and then start working on your collaboration. Start working in the wiki area so that you can collaborate in building this document that will eventually get submitted here by your group moderator. So what I want to do now is show you how the wiki works. If you go to your groups area, My Groups, and you go to this group wiki, that's where you will be able to access your wiki tool, and you'll be able to start building your document together. Now, I would recommend that you have one document for each wiki project. And so whoever comes in here first can name this one wiki number 1. They'll call it that. And they can just start typing away in here whatever content they want to contribute on behalf of the group. When you're done, you hit submit. That's like saving it. Now, a wiki is kind of like a living document. It's something that you're all working on together to build an assignment. The next person comes along and they see what you've written, and maybe they just want to edit it, or maybe they want to add some extra content to it. So they click on this Edit Wiki Content button. It opens it back up. Then you can edit what they've written, maybe correct errors. You can add something new to it. And once you've done that work, then you hit submit, and it's going to show you what all's there. If for some reason you don't want to edit up in here or add up in here, you want to just discuss what's going on in the creation of this document, there is a comment button down here at the bottom corner of the wiki tool, and you can use that to write notes back and forth to one another and to discuss what you're developing. And so that tool is available to you here. Now the last thing you should know is that you have what's called a My Contribution tab here, so you can see how the instructor is going to analyze your contribution to this project. Your instructor actually sees this as a grading tool, and so they can look at your group's wiki project and they can see who contributed on which days, how many words did they contribute, how many words did they edit. I'll click on this so you can see what you get to see. You can see here it's showing how many words were modified and the different times when I actually made these contributions, the percentage of the overall project that was contributed by me, etc. So I hope this is helpful to you. You're going to do this same project. You're going to work in the same wiki area for the project in week 4, wiki 1, in week 9, wiki project 2, and then again in week 11. You'll just have one group member who at the end of this time, after you're done working on wiki 1, they'll take this whole content, they're going to copy it, paste it into a Word document, they'll go back to that week 4 group submission area and they'll submit the assignment on behalf of your group, and then you're done and you'll move on to the next project. I hope you enjoy the collaboration, enjoy working together in this area. It's an important part of the learning process. Thank you so much.